Hello everyone, in today's video we're back on the EICR that we done in a previous video. Just doing some remedial work, changing the board over, fixing the bonding clamps out, sorting the two-way lighting out, adding some extra sockets in some rooms, etc. So I'm just going to run you through what we're doing today. Today we're going to add on some extra sockets in the couple of bedrooms, and then tomorrow we're back to, the customer's not living here at the moment, we're back tomorrow, change the board over, test everything, get it certificated and go from there. So this is bed 2. So this is the only power point at the moment in this room. It's old fashioned, so I've only got one socket. So we're going to pull one of the leg rings back down or extend onto it, like where you go, extend onto it. Run a cable down this way, pick a leg up there for a double socket, back down, back over there, and then back along to there, and that will pick the ring back up, and then I'll bring you around to the other room. So in this room we've got, this is the bed, so you're going to have a, so that's the other side of that's the other double socket. So again, we're going to come off of there, bring a leg all the way across, pick up a double socket there, run straight along underneath here because the joists are running that way, pick up a double socket in there. But weirdly, the party wall that's next door, because it's end terrace, the party wall's dot and dab, so just makes it nice and easy for us. Come back out, back to there, and then back along, pick the leg of the ring back up. So I'll keep you updated as we go. We fixed the two-way already. This was faulty before, so that's that fault. And then we've got this light's not earthed, guessing it's not connected on the CPC. Didn't have anything on the wander lead when we done the ICR. And then I'll show you the board downstairs. So downstairs, this is what's going in tomorrow: fuse box, tails, got the old Wilex, what can I think, tails main switch. Go around to the meter. So this was the old one on from the ICR, old reliable fuses, so all this will be coming out. The old noise storage is obsolete, so that's all coming out. It's got a combi boiler in there now. Then we've got the water bonding tags to replace, which I'll show you quickly. So here's the water bond there. There, that's the incomer there coming in. It goes onto there, and then they've supplementary bonded it over. So yeah. Alright, so I just thought I'd bring you back. Oh yeah, so I'll bring you back. So that's the box up there, floorboard lifted up there, floorboard lifted up there, ready for the chase. Row of holes along here, tuck it over, row of holes along there, picks that socket up there, take you around to the next room, wall chaser out, hoover out, ready for chasing in. This brings us around to this room. So the other socket on the other side is a spur, so we'll remove that. We'll get one of these legs. I'm going to pull, you can just see it there, it goes just under here and then shoots off that way. So we're going to pull that leg back, Wago box on there, extend the cable round, bring the cable through, pick up that socket, rod along to that socket in there. Big enough? Yeah, there we go. And then come back, and then row of holes already drilled, pick that socket up, go back along, back into the socket, and then that'll complete our ring. And then that'll be it for the day, but we're aiming to get all this done today, and then tomorrow crack on with the board change. Right, little update. It's been a couple of hours now since we last showed you. That's my leg that's going to join onto the leg from that socket. Comes down. In the process at the moment, just hoovering this out. I hate running, everything's underneath. So that's where it's going to end up. So tubes fixed in the wall, sockets are in, and we're just going to put the socket face on. Comes round to this one. Actually a little partition wall between the two houses. Luckily there's a gap behind. So it comes from that other socket down there to this one. Comes along, goes to that one. Again, all that's going to get tidied up. And then it drops back down, goes along, into the other room. I'll show you now. Comes into here, doesn't go to that socket, skips that socket, goes along, clipped in, underneath the pipes, well below, as you can see. Again, all that to get cleared up. Picks that one up, from that one to that one. Again, same as the other one, partition wall. Drops back, comes back along, picks that socket up, and then it goes back to the other side. Then that completes your ring. So now we're just going to hoover everything, tidy everything up, put the sockets on, and then it's all ready to be plastered. Yeah, I'll bring you back once the sockets are on. Right, so all the sockets are on. Obviously I can't hoover anything out yet because the power's not on yet. Sockets on, like so. Then you can just see it there, look, they're screwed, so that's pinched. So I'm going to come out. And then we'll come over here and I'll just do my end-to-end readings. The other side's tested. Let me just zoom you out. So I've got it on continuity, I've nulled the leads like that. I thought I'd do that before I got one hand. I'll strip everything back. I haven't tested it yet though, so let's put you like, sorry for the wibbly wobble. So you can see it. Sort of see it. Like so. Right, let's do the line. 0.52. Neutral should be the same. 0.52. And then CBC 0.77.
They doubled them over, but they lost one clause in the process.
Right, that's it. All the sockets are on. There. I'm going to power up today because no one's living here. But we're back tomorrow to change over the consumer unit. That's why we're not powering it up. It's no RCD protection and stuff. But I'll test the end-to-ends, as you've seen. Ring final JB. Cable tied off. Screwed to the side. And then, yeah, cables go down in place. There we have it. Sockets are on. All hoovered in between, down there, comes up this way, doesn't it? See, all hoovered, all screwed back down, comes along on the bedside table down there. I'll show you the other room. Into the other room, floorboards back down, look, screwed down, all hoovered, again hoovered in between everything. Socket. Right, that's it on this one. This is day one, obviously. Day two is going to be a separate video, so make sure you check in tomorrow for us doing the board change, picking up a few other little bits. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.